Hi everybody, how are you? My name is Claude Joly. I am French. I am residing in Japan for 42 years, so it's quite a long time. And this is my house. I am in Izu, beautiful location, very nice ocean views. And I will tell you how much I paid for my house. So 10 years ago I bought that house for 4 million yen. I negotiate with a real estate agent. So it was 5 million yen I could negotiate, so I got discount 1 million yen, so I pay 4 million yen. It's about 34,000 US dollars. So it's incredible. I think in US you can't buy that kind of property with ocean views. So my house, it's about 46 square meters. So we have a first floor and second floor. Here I am on the second floor. So I will show you all the views and inside my house. Outside, so you can see ocean views, but unfortunately it's a springtime. Many trees are surrounding our house, so many leaves you can't see well. But in the winter time you can see ocean. So we have a really nice view, beautiful trees, lot of natures. And this is my balcony, small one. So often with me and my wife, we do barbecue, and nighttime we have a drink, and we watch the sky. So sometimes I'm doing some gardening, you know, like herbs, mint, fennels, rosemary, lavender. This is a mint, and this is a lemon. So let's check inside. So I have a lot of audio. So I am a musician, so I love music. So this audio is quite old. I bought many years ago, and sometimes I bought used one I can repair. I have some knowledge in electronics. So I repair the open rails. It was broken, so I changed the head. And you can hear, this is my composition from my latest CD. And I have a lot of CDs. So my house, it's about 47 square meters. So we are on the second floor. Here it's about 22 square meters. So we have a kitchen and we have a beautiful counter. So we can have drinks, we can eat. Maybe 3 people can be okay. And this is a beautiful pastel I did many years ago. I was doing pastel. I love to do pastel painting. So you can see the kitchen. Here we have many windows. So over there is my neighbors. This is my keyboard. So I compose music here. I have a lot of inspiration. So often on the weekend, me and my wife, we come, and sometimes I play music, I compose music, I record. So I have a vintage synthesizer, old one, Roland, and my piano, electric piano. And we have a beautiful sofa. This is a pastel I did many years ago, beautiful picture I took. And we have so many windows in this house, so it's really nice. You can see outside we have a bamboos. Also I'm doing surfing. I have a longboard, but I'm not too good, I'm beginners. So often I go to Shimoda, you know. I will show you in the next review about Shimoda. I will do a review about Shimoda, so please subscribe my channel. I will appreciate it. So let's go to the first floor. So So we have a beautiful stairs. It's all made from beautiful wood. So as you can see, the wall is beautiful. So I was very lucky. The previous owner did not smoke. So I hate smoking, I hate tobacco, so the wall is perfect, it's white. Really, I was very lucky when I bought the house, it was completely new. So I really make a good deal. Again, a pastel I did. So. Also here we have a windows. Big one. So I have very good toilet with a washer. And here it's our bathroom. So it's a large bathroom. Also we have a large window. And this is the entrance. So we have a small closet. We can put our shoes inside. So last year we've been to Okinawa, so we bought some souvenirs. So it's very popular in Okinawa. So this is a bedroom. We have two large closets. So we can add our futon, you know. So in Japan we don't have bed. We sleep on the floor, we have a nice futon. It's very comfortable anyway. And here it's a big windows, there are TVs. And this is a large veranda outside. So we can have also dinner outside, but we usually go upstairs, it's better. We have better view because the view here is not so really nice. We have a house, so upstairs is much better. So this is my house from outside. So I did some renovation 2 years ago. So I repainted the wall, the front and the back also, all by myself. So because renovation in Japan is quite expensive. Just to repaint a house, here it costs maybe over 20,000 US dollars. So it's a lot of money, and for me it cost me only 300 US dollars the painting, so it was quite cheap, and I enjoyed to do it by myself. So also I repaint the roof. I did all. So this is my garden. It's not so big garden, but it's okay. So I have some rosemary, lavender, mint. And you can see I have few lights. So I will do a video nighttime. It's quite beautiful. This is the side of my house. And this is the back of my house, so as you can see, yeah, there is some shadows from the trees. So what's a good point here of my house? We are quite isolated. We don't have so many houses close to our house. So we can play music, we can make some noise, it's okay. There is a house over there, but nobody's living. So I think the house is in a bad shape. So when I did a renovation, I repaint outside, so I bought that ladder. So it's a very long one. I think 11 meter. Oh no, more. 18 meters long, so it's very useful. So I hope you enjoy my review about my house. So what can I say? So this will be my advice. If you want to buy property in Japan, like Akiya, we say in Japanese called Akiya, property for free, but it's not really free because if property is in bad shape, it could cost a lot of money to do renovation. So better to spend little money to have something good, you know. I don't know how much the price depending on the prefecture in Japan. And but I recommend if you buy a house. I saw one YouTuber who purchased a house in Niigata. Niigata is nice, it's fine. But problem with Niigata, during the winter time, it will cost you a fortune to heat the house. Especially, you know, how you call Japanese toyo, you know, kerosene or electricity. It could cost you a lot of money. I heard a friend is paying monthly during winter time around close to 100,000 yen. That's a lot of money. It's like $600 US per month just to heat the house. But here, you know, during the winter time, it's like not even minus, it's like 6 degrees. It's quite warm during winter time. So we don't spend so much to heat the house. It don't cost us so much, not less than 10,000 yen a month, maybe $60 US. So it's quite a good deal. And summertime, you know, we're on the top of a mountain, so it's very cool during summertime. So really, I recommend if really you want to buy a house, if you want your house get value, maybe Izu will be the good place. I recommend Izu if you love the beach. So Izu is very popular with foreigners. I meet many French people, Americans, many foreigners are living here. They said the Shimoda, because we are close to Shimoda, just 45 minutes by car to Shimoda, so they said it's a Côte d'Azur. It's really beautiful. So I will do a review about Shimoda in my next video, so please subscribe my channel, don't forget. Also I forget to tell you how much I'm paying tax here in this house. Okay, the property tax yearly, I pay 25,000 yen. It's about 175 US dollars. And also I have administration cost to pay tax. It's yearly also, it's per year. I pay around 294 US dollars. It's about 42,000 yen, that's all. And of course the rest, you know, I have to pay electricity, depending on how much I use, electricity, gas, whatever. So that's average for any people who hold a house. Even if you rent a house, you have to pay gas, electricity. It's common sense. So that's all. So if you have any question, please don't forget to subscribe my channel. And as I said, I will do a review about Shimoda. So please subscribe my channel and you will be informed for the next review. See you soon. Bye bye.